Morning everyone, it's Good Friday, lovely sunny weather out there. Thought we'd come in the motorhome, myself and Sam, just to have a little tinker around, get it ready for our move, and thought I'd check up this front end above the bed, above the cab, to see if the leak has resolved, and it has not. Can't believe it. So we still have a leak, but now we definitely have a location for the leak, and it is right there. You can see that stain dripping down the wall. So we're gonna have to reseal the frame on the outside, and it is definitely there. So at least we got something to go by. But it is absolutely, it's marked this really badly. Look at this. And of course, as you can imagine, all the cushions were down, so they're wet underneath. So we've got to give them a wash. Alright, so that's one of the first jobs we need to tackle. Let's have a look. Right. Wurzel Gummidge. I mean, Samantha.
Thank you.
Hang on, let's just pause a minute. Samantha just had a go at me because I'm making a video and she hasn't done her hair. So...
Because I'm not going anywhere, I'm just bloody sorting this out.
So, aside the fact, Wurzel, what are you...
Fuck off.
What? So what are you up to this morning?
Right, well, I'm emptying the cupboards because this is just holiday stuff. If we're living in here, I want my proper hairdryer and straighteners. And we're going to need cupboard space for all our clothes and everything. So I'm just taking out stuff to put in the garage and sorting these out so we can put clothes in here rather than everything else. So
okay, so you're on tidying up operation.
Yeah,
okay.
Ready so we can move our stuff in.
Yay!
Because I've got to fit my house in an RV.
Okay.
But no, just like all our clothes and stuff what we use every day. And it's like the kitchen stuff needs more stuff in because I'll be cooking proper meals, not holiday quick meals.
Right, a job for me this morning. I'm going to have a go at tiling this kitchen area so we can get this finished off. Then Samantha will be pleased, I'm sure.
Oh yes.
So let's have a look at that as well. Right, so I've cleaned off all the old adhesive, and every tile I'm going to use to start with, whether it's this one or this one, I'm going to have to cut. So, okay. So I've marked it up. Let's start cutting some tiles. Right. A problem. So, well, I started to put the tiles on. They're going on nicely. Then realised they weren't sticking very well. You know, is it because of the weather? Is it like the adhesive drying too quick? I got the mixture wrong.
He bought it without his glasses on.
And I bought it without my glasses on. And let me show you what happened. Well, here's what happened. I'm only trying to put wall tiles on using grout.
It's a good job I came out.
So I said to Samantha, I says, just have a read of that bag, will you, to make sure I've got the mix right, because this isn't right to me. She come back with a bag in her hand. Yeah, you bought flexible floor grout. Oh, God. Right. Plan B. Let's start again. Well, I'm having a look at that front window where it's leaking. And the only place I can see that water might be getting in is here on this beading. A bit of a gap there. So I'm going to seal that up. It's certainly not the window. Certainly not the window itself. So something is getting in behind this panel and then leaking out through the window frame. That window frame is really well sealed. So let's have a go at sealing this up, I think. Well, that's all sealed now, so hopefully the rain won't get in there. Sealed all around these strips. I haven't, well, where the screws go through, some like mastic putty in there, so that should be fine. Oh, fingers crossed, we'll see what happens when it next rains. And there we go, all retiled. Samantha will be pleased. I haven't grouted it yet. I'm going to let the tiles go off a little bit more first so I don't disturb them. So I think that's a job for tomorrow. But yeah, looking neat again. Job done. Right, I think that'll do for today. Might come out tomorrow, see what else we can do. Catch you later, guys.